Blessed day mga kapalo. And day 3 tayo. Another day, another drum lesson. Let's go. Ayan guys, so warm up muna tayo 5 minutes. Okay, so but for this video, skip lang muna natin 5 minutes. Okay, turo ko lang sa inyo yung pattern. So gawin natin 16th note. Gagawin natin yung loud, then soap. Loud or forte to piano. Okay? O piano to forte. So ganito gawin natin. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, and guys, reviewin lang natin yung group natin nung day 2. Yung 8 note yung hi-hat. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Ayan guys, so try naman natin ngayon. Soap lang yung ano. So, mahina lang yung hi-hat natin na 8 note, no? 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and... Then, yung kick and snare drum natin, gawin natin medium volume lang natin. So yan guys, ngayon naman, kanina, mahina lang yung hi-hat natin, tapos medium volume lang yung kick natin, saka snare drum. For now, ngayon naman, gawin natin, lagyan natin na accent, ano? Lagyan natin na accent yung downbeat. So, magiging yung hi-hat niya, magiging pattern na is accent, then ghost note. 1, and 2, and... So, magiging pattern ng hi-hat natin is, may accent siya sa downbeat. 1, then... mas mahina yung end. Kasi 8 note to, di ba? 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and... Okay? So, 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and... So, kung di pa kayo sanay, pwede nyo i-try muna sa mas mabagal na tempo. Sanayin nyo lang yung, ano nyo, yung pulse nyo. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and... Ayan. Ang mahalaga doon, ma-practice yung pulso nyo. Saka yung accent, no? Magawa natin. Yan guys, so okay na yung mga ginawa natin dynamics. Ngayon naman, mag-play tayo ng 4 bars na regular volume. Then 4 bars again na mahina naman, mas mahina, okay? So tag 4 bars to, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Mahina tayo. And guys, so challenge. And guys, so try naman natin ngayon, challenge natin, try natin yung loud and soap. So gawin natin every bar, loud, first bar, then second bar soap, tapos loud, soap. So alternate lang natin, okay? Try natin. Medyo mabilis. 1, 2, 3, 4.